What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Ray, aka Little Ray TV, and we're back with another video. I gotta do this video real quick because I gotta get these shoes out of here. Like I always say, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 500 plus subs, as well as comment whatever you want to comment. I respond to all my comments. So like this video, share the channel. Let's get more people on the squad, main channel, and Instagram. Those links will be down below in the description. So go check it out. Leave me a follow on Instagram, as well as check out the main channel and support all that good stuff. So based off the title, you already know what sneaker this is. Nike Dunk Low, Nature. They've been dropping a whole bunch of Nature stuff. So mind you, obviously the title you'll know, but right now I don't remember the name. But let's get right into it. No further ado, let's get it. Alright, so off rip, you know these Natures, the Nike Dunk Low Natures and all this stuff, they give this like historical, like they're trying to save paper and all this, with all this type of like healthy stuff they do with this type of boxing. You know, it says a whole bunch of information on the sides. You know, the videos on my channel you guys seen before with those two other Nature Dunks that was slept on, but then price went up on them. But this is literally the label, is what they call it: Rift Blue, Cav Purple, Gray Fog, Nike Dunk Low Retro, size 13. This dropped on the sneakers app like last week, I say, and I sold it. So either way you put it, let's get right into it. All the Nike information, it says move to zero. You know, the product is made with at least 20% recycled content by weight, which is reduced waste of our carbon footprint. Trying to save, you know, recycling, so no paper as well. And that's the shoe right there. So let's get into it. I do think this is a nice solid colorway. I do like it. It's pretty cool. Having no paper in your shoes do feel weird, but with these it makes sense. So nothing really different about the shoes per se on different, you know, sometimes you gotta watch shoes for different stuff, but it's literally, you know, obviously the paper the guy says made with at least 20% recycled content as well. On there it shows it, you know, so nothing really different about these shoes. Now let's get the little quick thumbnail. This feels like one of those, you ever had one of those like dirty girls in school and they had like the sweaters that they would wear every day, smelly, can't clean it, won't clean it. It got that type of material. Look at that. I like this material in sneakers, but it's like that fuzzy feather. But you know what I'm talking about. Girls that had those stink hoodies in school that would wear this every day. This colorway, it's pretty sick, pretty nice color. Just like turquoise, bluish. The details and the fine print of the tags, look at that right there. Got like a green Nike logo, Nike right there. All that good stuff. Got the back with the ocean aqua type of blue. You can see it on both pairs. The same, just in case I'm not getting it mixed up. These are obviously same shoe, nothing different. The inside, it does have like that lime greenish insole, and then it says on the stickers, it says fox fur, upper content, synthetic leather. How they trying to be one good cause with recycled, with paper and all this, but inside it said it's made with fox fur. So you killing off the animals, but you don't, but instead you want to save. That's contradicting. That's conflict of interest. But this colorway is really solid. I can see why it did good on the resale market. Obviously, no leather. It's like a freaking blanket material. And I think it's like a navy blue, the Nike logo. So definitely a solid shoe. Definitely a rare shoe to get because it wasn't like a lot of people hit on these. Got the nice brown on the bottom, light brown. Next Nature, whatever, you know, all these Nature Dunks they got coming out. But let me know if this is a sneaker you guys like. You know, is it a solid, one of the better color versions, better versions of the Dunk, of the Natures? I do think this is one of the best ones they've been dropped within the recent time. I do like the colorway, it's pretty decent. But let me know if you guys like these in this color. Did you know they dropped? Did you skip on these? Did you pass on these as a reseller, as a personal person? Do you guys even like this? Let me know in the comments. I will be checking. Like the video, watch the video. One final look at them. Not really else to show. But like I said, I got this a week ago from the Nike drop. or sneakers, one of those. And then, yeah, had to be sneakers, I think it dropped on. But size 13, nice colorway, all that good stuff. One final look. I didn't even do a thumbnail, but let's do the thumbnail now. We'll do it with the two shoes. Boom. Now you guys might be seeing, oh, how he doing the video with the same hoodie on all the time. This is like literally my indoor hoodie. I wear this when I'm in the house when I'm cold, when I just want to chill. So sometimes I'll take it off, but when I'm filming, I just throw it on if I'm wearing it, whatever. What else? It does have that Next Nature logo right there on the tongue. Forgot to say that. But definitely this shoe is real. It feels so fuzzy inside with that fox fur. But definitely a solid shoe. Nice little pickup, whatever. Alright, that's it for me, guys. See you guys in the next vid. Like I said, follow me on Instagram, main channel. Those links down below. Like the video, comment, subscribe. Do all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. Peace.